7 affiliate marketing mistakes most people make. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you the mistakes that you will make when you get into affiliate marketing. So, if you're aware of these mistakes and you take notes on this video of the mistakes and you avoid making mistakes, the faster you will be successful. So, let's get into the video. If you're new here, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It is free. Help me get to my goal of 100,000 subscribers and 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel. And if you're following me on social media, consider following me there as well. I'll leave the links in the description below. So the top 7 mistakes that most people make in affiliate marketing are as follows. Mistake number 1 is not creating enough content. See, there are 2 ways to drive traffic. Okay, you can drive traffic through creating content consistently on social media, and the next way is to use paid traffic sources. Pay for advertising on social media platforms, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, whatever the case may be, and different types of advertising networks are there. You can pay for traffic or you can use organic traffic. So how to drive organic traffic? You create content. You create content on YouTube, create content on various social media platforms, you create content on your blog, you create content on all the platforms that you can think of. Just even one piece of content and just being consistent helps you go a long way, because people will see you consistently, and algorithm also rewards consistency. Because you're consistent, they'll push your content again to more people. Eventually you'll build up an audience of customers who are interested in that, because if people do not find it valuable, they will not follow you, they'll skip it. So algorithm will not even recommend it to people who do not want that particular content. Okay, so that's mistake number 1 that people fail to do, is they fail to create content, but they also fail to create consistent content. You need to understand that you just not just create one piece of content. You just need to create content consistently get into your customer's head. Use keyword research tools like Answer the Public, Google keyword suggest, give keyword planner, Google auto suggest, whatever suggestion that Google suggests, YouTube suggest. Go to Facebook, so anything that gets a lot more views, go that. Use tools like BuzzSumo. Go to different blogs in your particular niche that you're picking, whether it's health, wealth, relationships, lifestyle, or hobbies, or whatever niche that you're picking, spirituality, meditation, music, entertainment, whatever angle niche that you're picking. Go and find top popular content that is being shared or being liked by people. Even if you go to YouTube, you click on that videos tab and go filter by popular videos. Okay, you will be able to see all the popular videos that are popular for a certain point of time, because that has drawn a lot of audience to their channel. Literally go and watch that video and take notes, and then use that same kind of content and create it for yourself, and plug in your affiliate links if it talks about a particular product. Okay, that's how you start generating sales immediately. So beginner mistake is they fail to create content and they fail to get consistent content. Point number 2, or the mistake number 2, is do not promote the right products. So if you keep on creating consistent content, you're creating content consistently, it's easy for you, because you're building up your audience. Your objective is to create content, add value to an audience, and because you're adding value to your audience, they keep on following you, they learn something from you, they interact with you, you get to know them, like them, trust them. And then if you can plug in anybody's affiliate link in that particular niche, you make sales instantly right away, because that's always, people have a sales deadline, right? They start at this date and they close the shop or close the cart on particular date. So within that time frame, a lot of people buy in the first date, a lot of people buy on the last date before the time frame ends. So that's how you make a lot more sales, just by creating consistent content, and just plugging in your affiliate links. So take a look at all the podcasts that are out there. If they're in a particular niche, someone comes and promotes their product, they say go buy this product, and the last date to buy that particular product is this particular date. So people buy at the start and people buy at the deadline. So that's how a lot of sales are happening during those time frames. So keep promoting the right products at the right time. So keep on creating content, keep promoting the right products. So that is mistake number. They're not promoting the right products. They pick the wrong products. If you pick the wrong product and you create one kind of content and plug in the wrong content, wrong product, you will not get sales. You will literally you might get some sales, but it's not that relevant. So if you're talking about how to do XYZ, let's say how to fix a car, okay, and you find a product that is related to home appliances and you plug it in, it just doesn't match. The content and the product that you're recommending does not match. Content product, there should always be content product fit. You create the right content and you plug in the right product. Okay, if you're talking about fixing a car, you go and find product that actually helps in fixing the car, that particular thing that you're talking about. If it's a wrench, go find that affiliate product from Amazon or Walmart or wherever you are trying to find that product. Go grab your affiliate link. If they do not have an affiliate link, go talk to the product owner and go ask them for an affiliate link, affiliate program that they can create. And if you send sales to them, or if they mention your name, some certain percentage of sales will be credited to you. So that's how you can literally establish partnerships with people who don't have an affiliate program. So make sure to promote the right products to your affiliate for your content that you're creating. Okay. Number 3, the mistake that most people make is they do not build an email list. Building list is very important because you have a list of customers who are interested in that niche and who have certain problems within themselves they're willing to pay for. If you don't build an email list, people come, they watch your content, they go away. People come, they read your post, they go away. People come, they read your blog post and go away. People come, they see your Instagram post, it's nice, they like it and they go away. But if you can build an email list, you literally have captured the name, email, phone number, and you build a database of customers. So database of customers is important because if you can send one email, you can generate sales just like that instantly. If you're looking to make extra money, send an email to that email list, craft it in such a way that provides them value, and then place your affiliate link or whatever product that you're trying to promote. It's easy as that. Beginners make this mistake, and don't be a beginner. If you want to be professional and make a lot more money, build an email list. So check out the link. I've given the link in the description below for which email tools to use. So that will help you build an email list fast as possible. Number 4 is not understanding or learning marketing and sales. One of the reasons why people struggle to get sales in affiliate marketing is because they do not understand marketing. They do not understand the audience demographics. They do not understand wants, needs, desires, pain points. And because of that, they do not understand marketing. So if you know people's pain points and needs, you will know how to communicate to them in the right way. You will know how to speak to them. You'll speak about the pain points, and you can say that I can help you with this pain point. If you're looking to solve this problem, come forward and come and purchase this product, because this product solves your pain problem or gives you the want or the need that you have. This solves that. So when they're interested, they will come forward and they'll come and purchase it through your affiliate link. So if you understand marketing, you will be able to generate sales. Sales also people have objections in sales. They have last minute resistance. They have price is too high, or they have objections like I cannot afford it right now, or they may have other questions like what does this solve that the other product solves, and why is it this price, or why is it so expensive, or what is so different about this product. They have different objections. If you understand marketing, if you understand the customer, your audience, you understand marketing, you will know how to communicate. And if you understand marketing, you will definitely go and learn sales. And if you learn on top of this, you learn content creation, you learn social media, you build an email list, and you learn copywriting, or you know how to speak with persuasion, you will generate a lot more sales because you eventually know the right things to say to the customer who's watching a video, who's reading a post, who's clicking on a link, who's listening to your audio, whatever thing, or you're communicating, or you're trying to close, or you're trying to provide value to. People will see that you have all the essential skills in order for you to generate sale. So that's how it will be handy. And most beginners do not even care about learning about marketing and sales and persuasion and communication and copywriting and video creation and social media. So if you can learn about that, it's much more valuable. Number 5, or the mistake number 5 that most people make, is they do not be consistent. You have to be consistent when you're trying to make affiliate marketing work for you. Whenever you try to if you're anyways using a product daily, why not talk about it daily? Today I use this. You talk about today I've used this supplement, and if you're interested, click the link in the description, buy it from. If you're using some product, if you want to promote some other people's product, go grab their affiliate link and talk about it and promote it. Just be consistent. You should look like a hustler. You think like a hustler. Hustler always thinks, if I do this work, I will get paid. He hustles so that he gets paid. Think like a hustler. That's how you start making content. You know that in today's day and age, you have to keep creating content to build your audience, so that as you keep on building your audience, you get a lot more people coming to your audience database or an email list or even on social media, and it's easy to make sales then they're right there. So if you hustle for that creating content, you will get paid. Make sure to remember that. If you do not promote, you do not get paid. That's golden rule for affiliate marketing. You do not create content, and if you do not promote, you do not get paid. So remember that. So that will help you ensure that, okay, I should be consistent. Be consistent over time, and if you keep on being consistent over time, you will make sales. Most beginners, they do the wrong strategies, and they do the wrong methods. Things are supposed to be simple, okay? Things are not supposed to be hard. I don't care what anyone else tells you, but keep it simple, keep providing value, and that's how you start building trust, trust factor. The mistake number 6 that I see most people make is they do not know how to create catchy titles, catchy headlines, catchy thumbnails, catchy things that gets people to click. So if you in order to get people's attention, you should understand that attention is the currency in today's day and age. If you cannot catch someone's attention and retain someone's attention for even 5 to 10 seconds, they're not going to watch a video, they're not going to click your post, they're not going to. So in order to get people's attention, you have to know how to create a hook. What is hook? What's in it for me? People always answer this question, what's in it for me? If I'm trying to promote you a shoe, okay, what will be the hook that I will tell to you? Think about it. If you can answer that, what will be the hook? Comment below. I want to know what you think. What will be the hook that I should create if I'm trying to promote a Nike shoe or a Jordans or whatever. So what will be the hook? Comment below. Then I'll reply to your comments. So whenever you try to promote a product or try to make sure to create headlines that draws people's attention and helps them consistently watch the content or read the content, whatever the case may be, and learn creating hooks. Hooks actually gets people's attention. Let's say suddenly someone comes up with the way that, okay, if you follow the system, it will teach you how to make $1 million. Now you are intrigued and you're curious. That has literally hooked your attention. So hooks are a way to get people's attention, and most people fail to realize that if you cannot grab someone's attention, and if you cannot hook someone's attention and cannot retain someone's attention, you have essentially lost in the affiliate marketing game or even in business in general. So in the day of social media age and the advent of social media and everyone is competing for attention, you should learn how to create hooks. So there are a lot of hooks. Just Google, how can I create a hook? How can I learn about hooks? Learn about how to create hooks. So the beginning of this video, I've told there are 7 mistakes that you must avoid. So that's a hook in itself, because if you are a beginner, you must be wary of the hooks or the mistakes that you will make down the line. Because if you do not take notes right now, you're watching this video and do not take notes right now, you will literally not remember all these things, and you think you're smart. You're not smart. You will forget about it. So make sure to learn about how to create hooks. Okay, and point number 7 or point number 8, whatever the number is, make sure that you always come across as presentable. Because if whether you get sales or not right now, make sure that you hold a positive mindset. Having the right mindset is the 85% of the battle. 25% of the battle is just economics or mechanics. Okay, having the right mindset is very essential, because whether you make sale or not, you go with the positive frame, saying that, okay, I'm going to talk about this. The right people will come in. The people who are haters will leave out of the way. They'll just come, they'll go away. But people who actually want that help will come forward and take action, and they'll click the link and they'll buy. So hold a positive frame and hold a positive mindset. If you can hold your positive, start the day or create a content with positive mindset, you will get positive results. If you start with a negative mindset, don't expect much. So people are in different frames. If you can change someone's mood and you can get their attention, get the hook, create consistent content, build an email list, understand marketing, sales and communication and persuasion, and you learn copywriting, and you promote content consistently, create content consistently, promote profit products. If you can do all of these things that beginners literally fail and other affiliate marketers fail to tell you, I'm damn sure you can reach your 6-figure goals with affiliate marketing. Make your first 6 figure using affiliate marketing before you try any other business, because it's as easy as that. Anybody can go ahead, literally whatever products that you have at home right now, go take it, create a video on that and talk about it, and then place your affiliate link in the description below. damn sure some few people will go and click and purchase it, and then come and thank me in the comments below that I've helped you make your first affiliate sales. If you're struggling to make affiliate sales, share this video with someone. Check the link in the description, because I'm giving you first 3 chapters of my affiliate marketing mastery book. I've explained it in very simple format that you will understand, because if most people struggle with affiliate marketing because they're trying things too hard, they're making it difficult for themselves. Things do not have to be hard, it has to be simple, because when simplicity is there, you will execute it better. Most of the success lies in execution. If it is complex at step 1, how do you think you will execute on when you try to execute a complex thing? Most people will fail. Most people will literally not start any. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check out the links in the description below. Get the free 3 ebooks, 3 chapters of my first ebook. You can also pre-order the entire book. It's cheap on Amazon. It will get launched on August 30th. Okay, and also get the affiliate $100,000 for your first 6-figure affiliate tracking worksheet. You can opt in also, that's free. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing and make your first 6 figures, sign up for the first 50 people. Use that coupon code that I've given below. Use it. Sign up right now, because by the time you're watching this video, someone has already signed up. So either you're going forward or you're going backward, or you're staying there. While you're pondering, someone is taking action, they're making money. So I will teach you everything about marketing, communication, social media, email list, funnels, sales, everything there is to know, and how to make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing. So if you want 6 figures in your bank account in just 6 months to 1 year, sign up. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you found value.